The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Lava Yuva 4, and it is the successor of the Lava Yuva 3 smartphone that was launched back in February this year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva 4 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and has a hole punch cutout at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. Under the hood, the Lava Yuva 4 comes powered by Uni SoC T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.2 by 76 by 8.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva 4 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 7,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in glossy black, glossy purple, and glossy white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Yuva 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.